Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been such a long time since I last made a video for YouTube. It's been about 2 years. The last video I made was around about April of 2021, and so much has happened since then. What you guys didn't know in that video was I was a few months pregnant, and I had such a horrible time of that pregnancy. I was always in hospital, and I think I just came back from the hospital actually when I made that last update video. And since that video, I was in hospital for so many months until I had my baby in July of 2021. And yes, guys, I have an 18-month-old son who is the light of my world, absolutely gorgeous. And I'm just so grateful to God that he's here with us today, because that pregnancy was really, really tough. And the fact that I'm here and he's here is just a miracle. So thank you, Jesus. So much has happened with life. I always thought maybe I'd make a video update when my baby was a little bit younger, just to let you guys know what's been going on. But as a first time mom, it's been just impossible. I've been so busy with maternity leave, taking care of the baby. And then after about a year, I went back to work, and then things just went berserk at that point. I became so busy with being a mom, being a wife, and just being someone's employee and trying to make a living. And I just could not get myself to make a video. I always used to think I'm gonna get the camera out this weekend, I'm gonna make a video, but just thinking about making an edit and just sitting there on the laptop, I just could not bring myself to do it. So today I just did a wash, and I thought, look, I'm just gonna make a video, right? I'll make a video, I'll whip up my phone. I'm actually using my iPhone to record this video. And regardless of however it comes out, I'm just gonna put it out there and just let you guys know what's been going on with me, how I'm doing. I've still got my locks, I haven't cut it. I've had so many challenges with my locks. I mentioned earlier that I was a bit unwell when I was pregnant in 2021, and because I was in hospital for such a long period of time, I really wasn't taking good care of my hair. I wasn't watching the kind of shampoos I was using, and I ended up having lots of build-up in my hair. You might still be able to see the white patches, and I've just really struggled with getting this build up out of my hair since then. I've tried all sorts of things. I've used the baking soda and the apple cider vinegar, and it just doesn't seem to be clearing out. There was a period I thought maybe I was just gonna cut the locks because I didn't like the way it was looking, but then I put so much effort into this locks. I locked my hair in 2018, so this is it is it 2017, 2018? I don't know. This might be the fifth year or the sixth year of me being locked. And I just didn't want to put all of that in the bin, right? So I'm sticking with the locks. My locks is due a retie. You might be able to see. Yeah, you can see the white patches. It's just, I don't like it when I think about it. But anyway, I just keep going, right? And don't know, maybe I get to see a loctician who's gonna prescribe something and just help me fix the locks. But if you guys have any suggestions, anything that you've tried other than the apple cider vinegar and the baking soda, if you guys got any tips for me, please let me know, because I really, really desperately want to get the locks back to beautiful, full condition, right? I've thought about maybe coloring it, but I don't really want to deal with colors, because then that might just make my hair brittle and starts to damage my locks. I don't think I want to do that. So yeah, I just want to keep the color. And as you can see, the locks has grown. It's grown so much. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 so you guys can see what's going on. Well, maybe not a full 360, but just some views. Doesn't look bad, does it? Anyway, I will make another video maybe in a couple of weeks time once I've done the retight, and then you guys can see how nice it's gonna look, at least on the roots anyway. And if I get any tips from you guys on how I can get rid of this build up, I might also try and incorporate that. But I'm gonna make another video shortly after I've retightened the locks. It's probably gonna take me about 3 days to get it retightened. I really miss those days when I just sit down and within 24 hours my locks is absolutely fresh and retightened. These days it takes me about maybe 3-4 days to get the locks retightened. Yeah, you can see the growth. It's quite a bit of growth going on. Yeah. Anyway, I just thought I'll make this video, let you guys know that I'm still out there and I haven't completely bailed out on you. I haven't got my locks. I'm still keeping them. I need to get rid of this build up that's accumulated over the past 2 years. And yeah, how are you guys doing? How are your locks doing? Hope you guys did not give up on yourself. Hope you guys did not give up on your locks. In terms of a general life update, I'm actually enjoying being a mom. It's hard work, but yeah, I do enjoy being a mom. I don't know if I enjoy working. I don't mind being a paid housewife, but that's not gonna happen anyway. But yeah, grateful for everything, and thank you guys for all the comments that you keep dropping. Thank you to those who keep subscribing to my channel, even though I haven't dropped the content in. I haven't dropped content in like ages, but you guys keep subscribing anyway. For some reason, you want to be part of my journey, so I do owe it to you guys to update a video every now and again. There's a helicopter outside. I'll just wait for that to go down. I just want to say a big thank you to all of you who keep subscribing to my channel, even though I haven't dropped a content in almost 2 years. Thank you for wanting to be part of my journey. Thank you for wanting to know what's been happening with my locks. For those who have sent me messages as well, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. I didn't just mean to flake off. It's just that I had so much I was dealing with, you know, with being ill and just trying to survive in general, right? So thank you so much, guys. And I will be dropping more content in the coming days and weeks and months and years, hopefully. And I do really wish that I can get something done about this build up in my locks. Maybe I'm just gonna color it. I don't know. Let me give you guys a ponytail. Ponytail. Yep. So that's how much I have got at the moment. If you're still watching this video, I just want to say thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you so much for your time. And yeah, I will be making another video shortly. Catch you at the next video and have a lovely day. Bye.